gbogbo ẹ̀yin wa ẹ máa wo Bisi Ologe Show pẹ̀lú Bisi Edunjobi.
I want to thank the people of Nigeria that are gathered today to listen, to be part of this process. You've listened to a wonderful man and my brother, Dati Baba Ahmed. Now, I want us to tape what we are promising you. Please listen and tape it. Because for too long in this country, we have allowed people to come, tell us one thing, and when they go into office, they do another thing. We can no longer take it. You either do what you tell us, or please, you leave our office so we can hire somebody else. Daddy and I, all your country has done in the past 20 years is to produce insecurity, to produce poverty, to produce joblessness, to produce ISIS strife, fuel scarcity, or one form of suffering or the other. Daddy and I are promising you that we will secure and unite Nigeria. We will secure and unite Nigeria. We will ensure that when we stand after some years, no Nigerian will say, I'm from the west, east, north, but will be proud to say, he's a Nigerian. Nigerians to celebrate their Nigerianness, celebrate their passport. We assure you, we are going to work hard to put people out of poverty. We are going to work hard to ensure that our youth are employed. And the way to do it is that we will remove this country from consumption to production. People have said, how are we going to do it? This Lagos will remain the center of our finance, center of our excellence, center of our transshipment and everything. But we assure you, Nigeria have all the factor endowment to be a great country. Because we will ensure that there is rule of law and order. We will produce enabling environment, the greater environment that will support investment in our oil and gas. Nobody will steal our oil again. Our gas should be developed where it will give us more money than oil. And above this, all the cultivated land in the north, which is our greatest physical asset, we will invest in. We will ensure that we deal with the issue of agriculture as quickly as possible. As soon as we secure the country, farmers will go back to farm. We will support them to be more productive, and we will use the food inflation to drive down inflation in this country. We will ensure that the water we produce will lead to agricultural revolution, which will lead to export, and will earn more money, and our reserve will increase, and our rate of exchange will stabilize. What we are going to do is very easy. Let nobody tell you this country is a great country. When we do what we do, the youth will be employed. The youth will find job. Because we no longer allow people to be wealthy without enterprise. Everybody who have money here must be doing something. We will support the youth to start the MSMEs, the companies. Our promise will not be on TV. It will be physical. You will see it. immeasurable. The enemies are no more formidable. I'm begging you, the youth, support what we are doing. This is the first time in Nigeria that the party chairman, presidential candidate, and vice presidential candidate will be people born after independence. The umbrella I put you into poverty. You voted for the Broom, they swept you into poverty. When they came into office, 55 million people were absolute poverty. Today they are 95. So it has worsened. You have voted for umbrella, it didn't work. You voted for Broom, it didn't work. We now want you to vote for human being. You go and vote for Mama, Papa. When you vote out, if you check it, APC chairman is 75 years. PDP chairman is 72 years. He was Secretary Minister 40 years ago. Our chairman is 52 years. 20 years difference. If you check the age of three of us, the average age is 55. If you check the other one of PDP, it's over 70. The other one, we don't know their age. I assure you, there will be freedom of press. So the press can criticize what we are doing. Our security people will no longer be for harassment. Police will not harass anybody. They will be your care. Because we are going to recruit, we are going to train those on how to do policing. We are going to equip them, we are going to recruit more trained people. So police will be a friend, not enemy. They will do the work of policing. We will not have all these problems we have. We will apologize to all those who are victims of police brutality. All those who have suffered the hands of government. We will apologize to them. We will make sure that it never happens again. Nigeria will be a peaceful country. We will ensure that we love each other. This is the beginning of youth and women development. We can no longer have old people wasting our time. That's why it is people born after independence. Those before independence, it is time for them to go and rest. So we can build our country. That is what we want to do. Please go out on the 25th. Look for LP. Vote there. Stay there until they can't vote. You have all it takes. Once we win the election, that is the beginning of a new Nigeria. It's the beginning of a new Nigeria. Watch what when we win. We will not tell you. You bring out your note and you see what development is. It will be, we are not going to change everything overnight. But be assured, you will see it physically, you will measure it, you will see the development. Everybody will experience it. Because I assure you, what we will do here, nobody will believe it. Hold those responsible. Hold those responsible for a new Nigeria. Hold those for secured Nigeria. Hold those for Nigeria that is productive. Mama, Papa. Mama, Papa. We care for Mama. We care for Papa. We care for the King. Thank you and God bless.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.